So next thing I want to ask you about is you started DJing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I kind of want to ask about,
Mm.
yeah, how did you get into it, and
Mm.
um, maybe your thoughts on being a b-boy dancer
Mm.
and then moving to DJing.
Mm.
Um,
Mm.
did it help, or what did you learn from dancing, or what did
Oh.
DJing teach you, or these kind of things?
Mm. Like I started DJing like 2 years ago, so
Hmm.
I'm still like a beginner though.
Hmm.
My when I used to work at the Carhartt store in Nagoya.
Hmm.
So that time my manager, he is a DJ. Then like he taught me that like how to DJing.
Hmm.
He's used to do the breakdance too.
Hmm.
So that's why he can play the he used to play at the like a b-boy party, like b-boy jam and like any party, hip hop party too. That's why like I follow him many times. Then I saw like many people, not only like dancers, like there's a many rapper, skater, like graffiti artist, like yeah, many young generations rappers too. Like I've never met such a type of people in Nagoya, but after joining in the Carhartt, I met many people who love the like hip hop culture.
Hmm.
So, but we've never connected each other. So I thought like we should connect
Yeah.
because we do the like same hip hop culture things and the same generation, right?
Hmm.
So we can have fun each other if we get connected.
Yeah, for sure.
So then first I'm trying to like connect with them the b-boy dancing, but it was so hard because like dancing is like for dancers is like easy to see it,
Hmm.
like hard to explain though, but like some DJ and rappers said like they they don't know like what should they watch it, like what is the point like that, so in the
uh,
dance showcase. So that's why I thought like we should like talk more
like
about
connect
it, like
more, right?
yeah, connect more, not
Yeah,
only like dancing like that.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's why I started DJing,
Mm.
and then first we connected like with the music, and then like the music can connect with the dancing too, right? That's
Hmm.
why yeah, like connecting with the music is more easier than like only connected with the dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
um
that's why
yeah,
I started. Yeah.
it's a kind of a big, not problem, but kind of problem, just
Mm.
the issue with, you know, hip hop culture these days is many things are so separated.
Mm.
When it started, many of these people kind of did everything
Mm.
because it just, that was part of the culture at the time. Many people tried to do DJing, and they tried to do a little bit of MCing, and they try to do a little bit of breaking, and most people could write or tag and stuff. But yeah, these days it's kind of like there's dance and there's a DJ group and there's rappers and graph writers. But that's a good goal to have, to try to connect people more. I think, especially, well, maybe now it's not so good to connect people like close together, but connect with interests, and that kind of thing. And, show, even though you're interested in different things, there's similarities. There's a kind of game, right?
Yeah.
Many people can connect. Yeah, it's
good.
Like
nowadays a little bit became like closer than before, like because we trying to connect each other.
Yeah. And I think especially with breaking, many people kind of view it, they think like, oh yeah, it's a dance, but they don't always think that, they don't connect dance with like a party or being social, like connecting with people. It's just a dance, and I go to a competition and I do my thing and I win or lose and then leave. But really, the dance comes from a party history. It comes from people socializing and connecting. And even though they sometimes battle and whatever, but yeah.
True.
We have to kind of maybe remember that and kind of go back to that, or bring that into more what we're doing with breaking.
Yeah, that's why I had a party after the volcano last time.
Yeah, why don't you maybe tell people about, because you lived in Vancouver too, right?
Yeah.
So maybe you can tell people a bit about the difference between maybe a party in, say, Vancouver and a party in Japan.
Party. Okay. The big point is Japanese party like stay up until morning.
Yeah.
Like never end, and then drink until morning.
Yeah.
It was a big difference
Yeah.
from the Vancouver and Japan.
Yeah, like 6 a.m. or something, right?
Yeah. We're gonna like wait. We have to wait for the like first train.
Yeah.
Like party difference of the big difference is like that. And
maybe that's the main thing.
Yeah, like too big and too big to think.
Yeah, but I think I was so surprised, one, by how late it goes, but also that, some people, they leave early, but there's still a lot of people who stay until
Yeah. They are like ready for the staying up.
Yeah. And like people really can drink.
Yeah.
It's pretty
Like
crazy.
go hard. Right?
Yeah. I don't know if that's like a culture thing, do everything kind of like extreme.
Like no normal. And then we can drink outside too. We can get the alcohol at the like convenience store. So that's why easy to drink like anytime, anywhere.
Yeah.
It's
good, it's good and bad.
Difference too. Bad, I think bad.
But if you can control yourself, it's good.
Yeah. Control is the key.
Yeah, a little bit of alcohol is not bad, I think. Maybe for some people it's bad.